Welcome back to Hardware Hangout. It has been a long time, but we have been very busy over here. We have been building planters like crazy for the last 3 months. We have been going through fence pickets after fence pickets, and we're almost down to our last 20. We have a large order coming up that requires about 70 to 80 of them, so it's time to stock us back up, which means bring them down the stairs through our tiny 1970s hallways, but we've done it so far, so let's get to it. Okay, now that we've brought our supplies down, we can get to planing. For each of our pieces, we plane the front side and the back side, no matter where it's going to sit on the planter. Used to sand everything by hand. That became a huge pain, especially as we got more orders. So after our orders started coming in, started making some money, we got the DeWalt 735. It has been a life changer. It takes a minute to do each board, maybe. And since we've gotten it, everything comes out smooth. There's no splinters, and installing them is a breeze. It's just been a game changer. So we're gonna have to plane each and every one of our boards here. But first we're gonna have to go around this side, get some pliers, and pull out all the little staples so we don't run those through the planer. So let's get to it. Alright, before we start planing, because we have a massive order that we have to get ready for, we have to do some cleaning. We've been cranking out planters, like I said, for the last 3 months. Have had minimal time to do any cleaning, and it's just become a dirty, dusty, grimy mess. So I'm going to clean it up quick, and we're going to get to planing. Shop is clean. Time to get to work. So as you can see, twice through the planer, both sides beautiful, smooth. Now time to do that 80 more times, times 2. Let's see if we can get some help down here. So we have a special guest coming down to do a little help. Alright, let's get to it. Turn it on, flip the switch. that is way too full. So what do we have to do? Yeah. Should we do the magic? Come stand behind me. And snap. Well, we cleaned it out. We got 5 boards done. Bless you. But we've lost our helper. She's heading back upstairs. It's just you, me, and this pile of sticks. Let's get to work. Okay, we've been going for about an hour and a half. We have about half of our pickets planed down each side. Our stack is starting to look a little bit more manageable. Halfway there. Let's get back to it. There it is. About 90 boards. Planed both sides. 735. Didn't miss a beat. Now it's time to take these out, cut them down, and assemble some planters. Like, subscribe, follow for more.